Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So today we're gonna discuss about servlets. So this is a basic servlet application based on the servlet specification 3.0 versions. So where we have a facility of writing a servlet with the help of annotations. So I have done the POC part, and I'm gonna show you how we can write a servlet without web.xml and with the annotations. So let's jump into the code and see how it looks like. So this is a Maven application. So this is our pom.xml where we have group ID, artifact ID version. Then it's a web application, so packaging is a war file, application name here, URL, organization tag, license tag, developer tag, then bunch of repository configured here. Then we have a properties. Inside the property we have project name, source code encoding, JDK version, SLF4J version, and servlet API version, which is servlet 3.1.0 release. And then we have a servlet. We have a dependencies tag where we have a servlet dependency, javax.servlet, group ID and artifact is javax.servlet -API, and version is 3.1.0 release. And then this is a SLF4J configuration and SLF4J log4j configuration. Then we have a bunch of we have a build tag where we have a final war file name, which is equal to the project name. Then we have a bunch of plugins configured where we have a Apache Maven compiler plugin 3.3 version, and then we have a Eclipse JT embedded server, which is 9.2.11 version, where we have mentioned that context path is project name. And then we have a Maven war file, Apache Maven war file version, war file plugin, which help us to create a war file, and it will not fail even the web.xml is missing. So if you see the structure here, we have inside the Java we have a direct package where we have a servlet. Inside the resources we have a log4j, but we don't have web app folder as of now here. So you can see that we don't have a web app folder. So inside the resources we have log4j.xml where we have a console appender configured here. And we have inside Java we have inside the src main Java we have com ESpark Adarsh, where we have a my servlet and help directory. Inside the help directory we have a help.txt where we have a Maven command to build and execute the JT server and the URL which we need to access. And inside the if we see the my servlet, so my servlet is a servlet extended from HTTP servlet, and it is annotated with the @web servlet. So this is a logical name for the servlet. This is a name of the servlet, description about the servlet. This is a display name of the servlet. Load on startup here. Init parameter for the servlets are, this is a key, this is a value, this is a name, this is a value for that. So this is a servlet init parameter. And then we have override the do get method and do post method, and we are calling do process method internally from this method. We are in the do process method. What we are doing, we are just getting the servlet config, and based from that servlet config we are getting the init parameter, param1 and param2, storing into that, and then setting a response as a text object plain, and getting the writer, and we are doing the write with the date, as well as concatenating the parameters value into that. So let's see how we can build this. Mvn clean package, mvn jt :run. So this is a command to execute the embedded JT container which we have specified in the pom.xml file. And now we need a URL. So this is a URL which we have specified here. This to access this, and server is running on port number 8080. So if I just hit http://localhost:/8080 slash servlet3 annotation example slash my servlet. I'm gonna get the response which is date, parameter 1 value, parameter 2 value. So this is how we can. So here you can see that do get method get executed here. So we are logging into that do get method, so that's why we got that here. So that's how we can create a servlet with the help of annotations in servlet 3 specification. So here it's a very simple basic example. I'll continue with other, like how we can configure the filters, how we can do configure the listeners and all in my upcoming tutorial. Till then, take care and do subscribe my channel and share your thoughts and comments. That's it for this video. Thank you.